The word, man. Y'all already know what's going on, man. We here with the trade demons. Y'all know what's going on, man. We about to get up on that meme coin situations, though. Um, so if y'all see on the title, what we got going on here is paper trading with meme coins, cause it's like a lot of people get into this situation and they don't really like. You feel me? They don't really, want to like lose their money. So they just come here. Well, you probably didn't know about it. That's why we here talking about it now. So, we just gonna come here. So this site right here called Sniper XYZ. You feel me? If you see right here the URL Sniper XYZ, I'm gonna have the URL in the description so y'all could check it out. You feel me? But let's get right into this John. You feel me? Let's go to the meme scope. Let me take this little filter I put on here off. That's just a little. We get into that in a second. You know what I'm saying, but for the most part, it's gonna look like every other site. You feel me? Like if we was to come to Axiom and it's just similar things, similar little things. You feel me? Filters and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? But let's get back to this John though. Yeah. So what you gonna do? You feel me? Once you get up in here, let me log out of here. So we get this right first. Once you get here, y'all gonna come. Y'all gonna go right here. Y'all gonna go to Telegram login, right? Now y'all gonna open that up with Telegram. I mean, if y'all got Discord, maybe y'all could do Discord too, but you know, Telegram been where it's at for it. And then right here, you're gonna see right here, log in. You're gonna open that right up. It's gonna bring you right over here. At the bottom, right here, you can see y'all can switch this back and forth in case y'all wanna like, make it dark, you know. Um F11 real quick to like, remove the URLs on the screen. So right here, you got your NFTs, but that's not what we about to be trading. We about to be on tokens, cause that's meme coin, and then we got trade and paper trade. So normally when you start off, you just gonna get like a hundred soul. You feel me? So you're gonna have your little hundred soul on there. Um, what I like to do is I like to, like filter out, like little market cap, be realistic, like probably like a little 9,000 market cap. You feel me? On a new meme coins. You know what I'm saying? Uh, over here you can do certain things too, like set your market caps, your liquidities, things like that. Like over here, for example, we'll put like 60,000. Feel me? And we could pull up on these snipes, and like you could come in here, all this is like demo money. If y'all don't know what paper trading is basically like gambling, not gambling, but like trading, quote unquote. You feel me? Like, excuse me for saying gambling, but yeah, yeah, I get it. Um, yeah, you feel me? Y'all just come here and y'all just get busy. Like, you feel me? If y'all don't know, then now y'all know type shit. So let's just click, one of these new pairs just to check it out. Feel me? Y'all see what's going on. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all can look at the top holders, things like that. You feel me? Like, you feel me? But, um, yeah. So let's try to find a coin real quick. I actually did find one actually. So let's get to the coin that we did find. Matter of fact, nah. I'm gonna just click the OK coin because I was looking at this actually on Axiom. So right here, this the sell, this the buy. You feel me? We could just, you know what I'm saying? Just click how much you want to get in. Let's get in on 5 so 10 so actually. Click my trades down here. You see your trades. Yeah. See what's going on. My trades, my holdings. That's how you see it. See all your holdings right now. You'll see your profits, your loss, everything will be right here. You get what I'm saying? Things like that. That's what we getting into. You know what I'm saying? Let's run it up. Let's run it up. Let's run it up. We go sell. You could probably huddle over the 25%, click it, and then huddle over this button. So we could be a little on point with these sales. Like, you get what I'm saying? So, yeah, that's how we bumming. Yeah, we about to scout back in for a little more. Eee, look at that drop. It's crazy. Oh my god. But we ain't scared of that though. Let's get this money, fellas. Alright, now we in it. We could start taking away a little bit. Start taking away a little bit. Might huddle over the hunt done. Might huddle over the hunt done. Just give me a little spike up. And we could take the rest of that out of here. So spike, spike, spike. It's looking like a little downtrend, but it's looking like want to kind of bounce off. Yep, called it. And we out of it. I'm gonna just take that. But yeah, y'all get what's going on. You feel me? And yeah, that's what we just made a little sub. You feel me? But that's paper trading. You know what I'm saying? That's all paper trading for you. You know what I'm saying? And then like, hey, y'all know what to do. Y'all know what to do, man. Like, y'all know what to do, man. Like, word. Um, Me personally, I say before you load your money up, you gonna come here and you gonna get busy. You gonna come here and work your magic. Cause if you don't come here, you just asking to lose your bread, bro. Like you don't wanna lose your bread, bro. Like you gotta feed your family, brother. You know what I'm saying? Like you gotta feed your fam. Your people hungry right now. Word. We gotta, you know what I'm saying? Motivation. We gotta be like we gotta get this job right. I know nobody else in the, for me, word. Nobody gonna get it right but yourself. Just know that. Just put it like that. You heard? So we gotta get this right. So what we gonna do is it's my first video on this channel right here. I'm just trying something new. Hopefully y'all, you know, I'm not a gatekeeper. You feel me? So we ain't gatekeeping nothing. We bringing everything to the channel. This ain't about to be yo pay to learn this. Nah, we gonna, you feel me? I already know what's going on. A lot of gatekeeping. We gonna bring this straight forward. We gonna hold it down. You feel me? Word, like Method Man is here. I'm the man with the sauce. I live in your cabinet, in your refrigerator, in your pocket, respectfully. But y'all know what's going on, man. Just come here. Link gonna be in the description, man. Sniper XYZ. Bring the link back up real quick. You feel me? Let's get crafty. Sniper XYZ. Y'all gonna go there. Feel me? Just to run a recap, run it back. Feel me? Just to break it all the way quickly back down. Y'all gonna go to there. Y'all gonna click here, top right, this little body icon. Y'all gonna click this, right? Open on Telegram. Telegram gonna open up. Click login. Click open. It's just gonna bring you right back to the page. You're gonna be logged in. It's no like website. I mean no password user. None of that bullshit. You're gonna be logged in. Do your Telegram. Y'all gonna go right here. Y'all gonna go to Memecoins, and then y'all can do your little filtering or whatever. Like I said, you feel me? Cause when y'all get to the real charts, y'all gonna be filtering too. You feel me? So y'all gonna come here. Y'all gonna filter that thing out. Like I said, if my filters 90 on there on the new ones, migrated 60,000 wild market cap, you know what I'm saying? Things like that. You know what I'm saying? Word. So that's how we bumming. For the I mean we got other type of, like what you call it, filters and things like that on, like on the real sites and real trading and shit. But for here, that's a little cooler, ones and twos that you can just, exploit real quick. Do what you feel like. You know what I'm saying? Just do something that's based on your pockets. Because if it ain't based on your pockets, then what you watching? Straight like that. But word, I mean, do that. After that, you know what I'm saying, click trade. That's it. Don't come in here thinking find strategies, bro. Like you feel me? Like look for strategies, gang. Like if you know how to trade, then you understand certain things. Like you know, as simple as this. You know that this is something called like a fair value gap. You know what I'm saying? This is a fair value gap. It was three candles confirmed, three green candles confirming fair value gap. So we don't want to place, like trades that close under here if we going for the buys, of course. So like obviously if it do close under here, it's looking like it's gonna pull back up over here. So look what's going on. Right here we would have hopped in, would have came in for the buy. You feel me? Could have made some quick profit, let it drop down right here again. You know what I'm saying? And we just ride at it back up. You know what I'm saying? Put y'all to a little duet. You feel me? Y'all take it or leave it. But we out of here. We gonna put y'all back onto some more Drew at another time. You feel me? But for the most part, just get with me, trade demons. I can pull up to the Discord, man. We be traded. We on Forex. We on everything, man. Like where we on everything. So just hit the link in the description, man. Word, we here though. Love y'all. Love is love. Loyalty is everything. Always remember that. And let's eat. Demon.